When you breathe in, hear the sounds of the air coming in your lungs. Placing all of your attention on the breath, breathe in as much as you can, expanding your lungs and feeling your belly rise. Let the air go and feel yourself relaxing. Now breathe in again, fully focused on the air coming in. And breathe out, focusing on the feeling of the out breath. Breathe in, noticing your body filling with air. And breathe out, feeling your body contract. Allow your breath to return to a natural, automatic flow, and notice how you feel. You are experiencing the benefits of mindfulness, a training exercise for the mind. It is not about perfection, but more about improving your willpower to get better, allowing for improvement to happen slowly in its own time. Just like how going to the gym grows muscles and improves strength. But this too is a slow process, happening little by little with your dedication. So take 5 slow and deep breaths on your own and count them. Each breath slower and deeper than the last. Good. Let your breath return to an automatic rhythm. Notice how you feel after taking these 5 conscious breaths. Breathing fully and with passion is a wonderful way to ease pain and become one with the time it takes to heal and mend. Return your awareness to the present.